Hey, what's up, guys? Bobby K here with pipsyndicate. How you guys doing, man? I want to go over a trade that we took this morning live. Hold on a second here. Dismiss. We took live, guys. We trade every day, 9 a.m. live. All right, Monday through Friday. So, guys, this morning we were looking at NAS. Okay, we usually trade NAS, US 30, or gold. We look for a quick scalp. We call it the win for the day. And I don't remember the last time we lost a trade. It's been months. If you don't believe me, just click in. Today is what? Today is the 9th, July 9th, 2026. Okay, so this was today's trade. You can find the video on the channel for this date and just watch the video. And you can watch the videos for the week. We're 4-0 now for the week. We try to get one quick scalp every morning. We call it the win for the day. Okay, we try to make it quick. So this was today's trade. So I'm just going to explain to you why we took it. And yeah, just so you can see how we do it. Okay, this is the 1 minute chart. We were consolidating here at the time, okay? When I look down at the session bias, this is different now, but it said bullish. Okay, so we were looking for a buy. We were looking for a pullback. When it says bullish, we look for a pullback, and then we take a buy. I was hoping it would come down here. This is the halfway point between the pre-market high and the pre-market low. Okay, I always have those. I use an app, not an app, and what do you call it? I have a thing on the chart that shows us that. I'm losing my mind, guys. That's what happens. You get a little older. So we were hoping for a sweep. Okay, I was talking on the video. If you want to go watch the video, I was saying that I could enter here. Right, we had a zone here, you know, a demand zone right here. But I would rather enter here. But if it's moving slow and it does sweep this demand zone, I'm going to take a buy right here. And sometimes if you look at all the videos or you start trading with us, you'll see what I mean. Sometimes I'll buy a little early because I don't want to miss the trade. And at 9:30, we're about to get a lot of volume. So I'm expecting it to shoot up, and I don't want to miss it. So I was going to enter here. But what happened was it came down real fast, and it came right to our demand zone that we wanted, okay, that we really wanted to enter at. So I just took the entry right here. I had an alarm here. It rang the bell, and I entered. I actually got in a little bit below. Let me play a couple of candles here. Okay, you can see there. You can see this. It came down, and it swept this zone, and I pushed the buy button right about here. You know, not exact, but right about here. I did it by hand. You know, I like to do it by hand because I don't want it to trigger just in case it's blowing by and it's going down and going down. I want to get a better entry if I can. That's why I don't set it to automatically take the trade for me. I like to take the trade myself. So we entered the trade here, guys. When I say we, I mean me. Okay, I don't tell nobody what to do. So I entered the trade here, and I had a TP set here. This is about 50 pips. This is a TP1. What I usually do is I'll set a TP, and usually around 50, 60 pips. I put it right here. There's like a support. There's like a mini support you can see here where it came here a bunch of times. So I said, okay, this is a good place to take profit. Okay, I took like 3/4 of the trade off right there. Then I set a stop loss in profit. I do it the same way every day. I take profit, set a stop loss in profit, and then we let it ride. Today we happened to get 125 pips, and it went like clockwork. I mean, it just blew right up there, man. It was beautiful. And that's how the trade went, man. It went a lot more too, but I first was going to take it here, and then I was like, you know what? Because this was the pre-market high. So, you know, there's always a chance that it's just going to sweep the pre-market high, and then it's going to either start consolidating or it's going to just come right back down. So it went up a little. I decided, you know what, guys, I'm going to set it for 125 pips, and I'm satisfied with that. That's a great scalp, great way to start the day. And that's what I did. I grabbed 125 pips. I recommend you go look at the video, man, and see how it went. And look at the videos for the week. They're all short. I never stay on too long. We just do a quick scalp. We call it the win for the day. We grab our pips, then we go fishing. That's what I like to say. And that's how today went, man. And so if you guys want to do this, join us, man. We do this every day at about 9 o'clock, guys. We're usually done by like 9:35, 9:45, sometimes sooner. So come join us, man. Please like this video, subscribe. Guys, I'll see you on the live stream. We got hardly anybody watching. I don't know why. We got the best win rate on YouTube, man. You can go look at a video where I showed my back office. I traded for a whole year, had a 96% win rate, and it was like over 700 trades, something like that. The video is on it's on the channel. It's called 96% win rate with proof. But anyway, guys, that's neither here nor there, man. You're only as good as your last win. So anyway, guys, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out this video, man. Come take a look. Come trade with us. I think you're going to like it. I think you're going to make a few pips. God bless you, man. Have a great day on purpose. And I'll see you tomorrow, man, on the charts for Freaky Friday. Cheers, guys.